Daddy, where are our papers? Can we not go home?
I don't know yet, Mila. I don't know.
Wow, is this the airport?
Yes, Mila, this is our big trip. Today we fly.
Why do we give our bags? They put our bags on the plane for us. Don't worry, Jack. Why do we stop here?
We must show we are safe. This is normal at airports.
Yes, but only one each. We have a long trip today.
Daddy, when does our plane go?
I am looking now, Mila. I think something is not right.
What is wrong, Dad?
Our gate changed. We are at the wrong gate, Jack.
Late?
Maybe a little. Please walk fast, Mila. Don't stop.
Which way do we go? I think left. Wait, maybe right. Let me think.
It? I see our flight, gate 42. We must go right. Hurry. Daddy, my shoe! It is loose!
Stop for 1 second. I will fix it fast. We cannot leave you behind.
Are we going to miss the plane?
No, Jack. Stay calm. Your father is fast.
Oh, this is so fast!
Jack, please, don't play now. We are in a hurry. 3940!
Keep going. 42 is just 2 more doors.
42! Is this gate 42?
Yes, but it is closed. We are too late.
Mommy, are you crying? I am okay. I am just a little sad right now, my love. Dad?
The airline. They can help us. We need a new flight plan.
Where is Daddy going? He is looking for someone to help us. He will come back. Cold here. Put your jacket on, Mila. Airports are always cold inside.
Okay, I've got the news. Our flight is on time.
Did they say, Dad?
There is a problem. The next flight is not until tomorrow morning.
Well?
I am looking now, Jack. There is one just outside. Let me check the price.
Is it night already?
Yes, Mila. But we will find a safe place to sleep. I promise.
I can see stars from here. Yes, Jack, even when things go wrong, the sky is still beautiful.
Is the taxi safe?
Yes, Mila. The driver is from the airport. We are going to be okay.
Dad, why do you look like that?
Our passports, they are not here. I think I left them at the gate.
Mommy, what are passports? They are our papers, Mila. Without them, we cannot go anywhere.
Driver, we have a problem. Turn around.
Passports still be there? I hope so, Mila. Please run with me. Hold my hand tight.
Keep moving. We're almost there.
This way, to the check-in. I don't see anything.
Look under the chairs, Jack, carefully. They must be here somewhere.
Daddy, I found something blue.
Mila! Yes, that is it. That is our passport envelope.
All there?
No, only mine and Jack's are here. Talia, yours and Mila's are missing.
Bird. I remember. I put them in my coat pocket when we went through security.
Let's go.
Yes, they have a lost and found box. They keep everything found at security.
Is the guard angry at us?
No, my love, he is helping us. He is calling the Lost and Found office.
Lost and Found is on floor 2, just up the stairs.
2?
Yes, floor 2. The guard says someone found papers there today. Let's go.
I like your brown jacket.
Thank you, Mila. Now focus. We are almost at floor 2.
Nice lady have our papers?
I am asking her now, Mila. Please be quiet for one moment.
Why is it taking so long?
She is checking everything, Jack. These things take time. Just be patient.
What is in the bag? I don't know yet, Mila, but I think I can see something red inside.
Let's see.
Our passports?
Yes, oh yes, those are ours. Thank you so much.
This is a surprise.
Mommy, why are you hugging her?
Because she helped us so much, Mila, it is good to say thank you with a hug. And look, we got them all. 1, 2, 3, 4.
All 4 now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we have all 4. We are safe.
I am so tired.
I know, baby. Drink this. You were very brave today.
You have cream on your nose? Dad, you have cream on your nose.
What? Where? Is it funny?
A checklist for tomorrow. Passports first, then everything else second. Look, the hotel.
Nice?
It is very nice, Jack, and it has 2 big beds. You and Mila can choose.
Window bed! Want the window bed?
Then the window bed is yours, my love. You earned it today.
The driver waited for us?
Yes, Jack. He is a kind man. I told him we would come back.
So pretty at night. It is beautiful, isn't it? Sometimes a wrong turn shows you something wonderful.
Hotel. This hotel looks amazing.
It is only for one night, but we deserve a nice rest after today.
Your room is ready.
Mommy, why are you smiling?
Because I have our passports safe and nothing can go wrong now. David, what is it?
Look, hoodies.
Are those for us?
Yes! For being so brave today, you both deserve a special gift.
So warm and soft!
You both look wonderful. Now let's find our room.
It is so big.
For one night, Jack, it is perfect. Let's all rest.
This is my bed.
Yes, you called it, Mila. And the view is beautiful. Look at the city.
Get a burger?
Yes, Jack. Tonight you can have anything you want. You all worked hard today.
Much food. We were all hungry. Tonight we eat well and sleep well. That is the plan. Wow, it's yummy. I'm starving.
The best dinner ever.
Even on a bad day, a family dinner is always good.
Mommy, today was scary.
I know, baby. But we found each other.
Next time, we use a special travel bag and check 3 times before we leave.
Flying today?
Yes, Jack. Today we get it right. Today is a new day!
On the list? Yes, passports are number 1, and number 2, and number 3 on my list. And I have the perfect pouch for them.
Ceremony. Zip closes slowly. Pouch goes under shirt. Safe.
Why under your shirt?
Because, Jack, the safest place is closest to your heart. Always.
Croissants! I have 2 croissants? Today, Mila, yes, you can have 2. You deserve it after yesterday. Hell!
Me too, Jack. Maybe one day we will come back on purpose this time.
All right, everyone, let's get our bags.
Have a wonderful day.
A big fountain. This city is beautiful, Mila. I am glad we got to see a little of it.
Are back at the airport.
Yes, but this time, we are ready. We know exactly what to do.
We all match.
We are a team, and today our team travels together in yellow.
We look like a superhero team.
Exactly, Jack. We are a superhero team. Nothing can stop us.
Daddy, you are not worried this time.
No, Mila, because I prepared well. Preparation is the best plan. Gate 14?
Yes, I already memorized it, and it is only 5 minutes from here.
We are so early.
Early is the right way, Mila. Late is just early. That went wrong.
I am drawing our adventure.
That is a wonderful idea, Mila. One day you will look back and laugh.
You drew us running.
Yes!
this is Daddy looking at his empty bag.
It's perfect. Let's write a title.
Okay, our airport adventure. How do you spell adventure?
Adventure. Adventure. It is a wonderful word.
Final boarding call for flight DL295 to Orlando, gate 14.
Is that our plane?
Yes, that is our flight. Let's go, together, as a team.
Mommy, are they all there? All four, all safe, all together, just like our family. Goodbye. Nice lady.
You are so kind, Mila. Always say goodbye. It makes people feel good.
I have a window seat! Yes, my love, you can see everything from there. Watch the world go by.
We are moving.
Yes, Jack. We are really going now. Hold on tight.
It is so fast! Hold my hand, Mila, and watch the window. Something magical is about to happen. We are above the clouds.
Welcome to the sky, Jack. This is why we travel. For moments like this.
Daddy, I am happy, even after yesterday.
Me too, Mila. Hard days make happy days. Feel even better.
Jack, are you sleeping already?
Let him sleep, Mila. He was very brave yesterday. You both were. Mommy, why are you crying?
Because Mila, this drawing shows our family, and our family is the best adventure of all.
Mom, I love our family.
We love you too, Jack. Now sleep. More adventures are coming.